Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can hide following list on Instagram. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page where posts of the accounts you follow will be displayed. Here, tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen and you will be sent to your profile page. Now, tap on the hamburger menu icon at top right corner, select Settings, and then access the Tools tab. Inside it, scroll down to the bottom and make sure to switch your account back to personal. If it is already set to personal, then you can skip this step. After that, go back one step, tap on the privacy settings and change your account to private. As of right now, this is the only way of hiding the following and follower list from the accounts you don't follow. That's how you can hide following list on Instagram. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.